Stop what you're doing. Hurricane Milton is about to change everything for Florida. Hurricane Milton, now a Category 4 storm with winds of 130 mph, is rapidly approaching Florida's Gulf Coast. Despite its downgrade from Category 5, the threat remains substantial. Landfall is expected late Wednesday or early Thursday, but the exact location is still uncertain due to potential shifts in its path. Governor DeSantis has declared a state of emergency for 51 counties, and President Biden has approved a federal disaster declaration. Hurricane warnings are active from Bonita Beach to Suwannee River, including Tampa Bay. Residents in these areas should prepare for severe conditions, including powerful winds and heavy rainfall. Authorities urge everyone in the affected zones to stay updated with the latest information and follow evacuation orders if issued. Your safety is paramount. Stay indoors, secure your properties, and have emergency kits ready. This is Hurricane Milton. Stay informed, stay safe, and take action now.